Today, we will look at some quick start tips in the support module. Our software presets 3 support scripts. DLP is bar support. SLA is a combination of point, block, and line support. Smart support is scaffolding structure support. If you are not satisfied with existing support parameters, you can go to the support module to change support parameters. You can't change existing preset parameters. You need to create a new script. Click the plus icon on the Run Script panel on the left. Input script name, choose script type, and click OK. Now you can edit your new script. If you want to create support for parts of the triangles, check Only Marked Surface in the bottom left of the script panel. Select triangles that need to generate support with the Triangle Editing tool. Click Generate. If you want to edit the support separately, select Support to enter Support Edit panel. For the line, point, and block support, you can enter the Advanced panel to edit the angle of the support, to move the support away from the object. For the bar support and smart support, choose Add Bar Support or Smart Support tool to add and remove support anchors. Hold the Ctrl key and draw a window to delete multiple anchors.